Hi there, this is Musar Shah from Pakistan. This video is about uh, the fourth session's DIY skills assignment, part of international teacher training on Python with Pictoblox, powered by STEMpedia. Uh, as you will be aware that it is the code area, it is the terminus, the screen where the result will be shown, and this is the run button. So it will be better to start the code, start running the code. So I press the run button, and on the screen first this print statement will be executed, and it's like a title. This code takes sentence string as input and will find word count and character alphabet frequency. Now here the string variable is created, initialized, and it will ask to enter the string. So here we will enter the very famous line, the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. So it contains all the alphabets, English alphabets, this line. So I entered the very famous line. It is stored, and I didn't press the enter till now. I will first tell you about the code, then after a while I will be press enter to check the result. So now the second thing it will do, that it will remove all the extra spaces in the beginning and in the end. So it is not a part of the character, is obvious. So we want to eliminate that spaces. Now this is this is for the beginning and in the end. If accidentally one press the space bar, so this ensures that it will remove it, eliminate it, or discard it. Now this line of code will divide at the spaces, where if that is one space or two space, so it will simply divide it to ensure the availability of the words for counting. So this line of code will counts the words and store in the word count variable. So this method is used length, and this word is points to this variable, right? Now this line of code will initialize the dictionary, and dictionary stores the values in a pair form, right? So and with a unique identity, every pair with unique identity. So if it's a common sense that if you the word count is simple, but the characters needs the frequency of the character needs two columns. So if, like, it will check that A how many times occurs in the sentence, so B, C, if any of the characters present in the sentence. So that is why it is needed to initialize the dictionary. It's a built-in functionality in the Python. Now the for loop starts. Now in the sentence, it will execute one by taking the characters, right? In this case, the quick brown fast. So it will start from this T. Now the T, it will check that it is a space, or if it is not the space, which is the case, so then the condition is true and the next line of code will be executed. Here the character is converted into the lower case, which is optional, or maybe you can skip it. Now the real frequency code is here. Now that character will be it will goes to the dictionary, which is here, and store it. For example, this T, it will store in this dictionary, and it occurs for the first time, so it will assign one value. As the frequency has an appear, so letter, character, alphabet T, and corresponding count is 1. But in the beginning this dictionary is empty, so it will not this condition will be not applied. So it will apply this condition or this statement by storing the alphabet with a count 1. So as it is the for loop, now the second character will be checked, the H1. Similarly, this will repeat for the every character. After finishing, after finishing the for loop, then now here we will press enter. Now this, after entering this, and after entering this code is executed and the result is displayed. Now this is analysis result. Okay, now total number of words are 9. So let's see the quick brown fox. I am writing here the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. So now we will count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now it's good. After this, it will count. These are 9 characters, 9 words. 9 words. Now this line of code will be executed. Character frequencies, and this will, how will they display it? It will display in the alphabetical order, and this method will ensure the display of this alphabetical order of the characters. Now it will take the character the frequency in Where are these two? These are in this character frequency dictionary, which is stored by this block of code, and this will sort out, means it will arrange in alphabetical order. Now this will, and this for loop, uh, 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 this for loop will sort out and display the result one by one. This print will display the result. It will, in the beginning, A, then B, then C, and it will fetch from this character dictionary. Thank you. I hope you find it better. Thank you.